In this video, we're using the MeLineFollower. This will be the website we'll be using. At the top right, click fork to copy it to your account. When it's done copying, go to your Visual Studio Code, View, Command Palette, Git clone from GitHub. You will see an entry for MeLineFollower. Select a folder to save it. When it's done, add to workspace. Open src main to see the code. So this will be reading the sensor values and printing it out to the serial port. Click at the bottom to change the environment to the MeLineFollower. Then click upload. Okay, if you see this error, then specify the upload port using the INI file. Then upload again. Okay, when upload is successful, open a serial monitor. Specify the port index. And you'll see the messages being printed. Okay, so there's nothing detected now. So if the sensors are detecting a white surface, then they are outside the black line. But if the black line goes under the sensor, then it will change the message. Okay, so that's how to use the MeLineFollower sensor.